Gang.
What up, y'all? Real quick update. It's your boy, Rob Level. What I want to do here real quick is I want to do two major things, okay? Number one, and this is very important to me, and I think it's going to be very beneficial and very important to you, is if you have any questions, I mean any question, even if you think that it's stupid, because there's no such thing as a stupid question, I want you to ask that question below, okay? Because I have this massive plan of what I'm doing right now. The reason I haven't been posting videos as much is because of what I'm building that I'm going to launch on Black Friday. In November, on Black Friday, I'm going to launch something that's going to change the entire music industry. I'm not hyping this up. I'm not trying to be like, oh, it's gonna be great. I'm telling you right now, this is something that's never existed that's gonna change your entire music career. This is gonna change the course of music history. When I had this idea, I was like, oh my God, why didn't I do this before? So I'm working crazy hard to put this together. So be on the lookout for that. Black Friday this year, 2019, okay? In the meantime, I have a bunch of videos backed up. I'm gonna start dropping these videos. Right now, I'm putting together the mixing course for you guys, okay? I'm going through. I'm gonna teach you guys so much stuff. You guys have no idea what I've been planning for so long. And I try to be as helpful as possible, but the amount of things that I've learned even recently, I'm gonna blow your mind with it because it's blowing my mind, okay? So imagine, right? I'm just trying to help you guys and girls. So in the meantime, while I'm building this, I'm gonna post probably 2 or 3 videos a week, okay? I'm gonna launch this on Black Friday. I'm gonna keep you updated. I also have what's gonna be called SoundCloud Week coming up because I've been doing a lot of testing on SoundCloud and seeing what works and what doesn't work. And you guys are gonna love what I'm about to show you because I was able to basically build a brand new SoundCloud profile in less than a month to 1,000 followers, over 5,000 streams on the track organically, almost 400 comments, 700 reposts. And I did this in less than an hour total of time and work, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys that during SoundCloud Week. Get ready for that, okay? Anyways, right now, please, if you've ever had a question for a smart rapper, I don't care what the question is, put the question below because I have a plan on how I'm going to answer every single question so that every question that any rapper has ever asked is going to be answered. And I'm also going to be uploading it not in a clickbaity way, but where if you type in that question, it's going to pop up for you. Okay, I'm going above and beyond. I'm getting ready for everything. This Black Friday thing is gonna be crazy. Right now I'm mixing and mastering the rest of my records, getting the stuff finished myself so that I can get all my new records out so that I can be releasing a song a month because I'm already a little bit past due for that. But Built Like This is at like 160, 170,000 on Spotify and that released in July. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for that. Ask that question below. I'm gonna screenshot all the questions. This means when I make these videos, I'm gonna be able to shout you out in the beginning of these, hopefully as long as I'm able to keep track of them because I know there's gonna be a lot of questions. So ask questions below. Ask those questions. Please ask those questions. Ask any question you've ever had, ever. And I'm going to try to answer it to my best ability. And if it's not on here, it's going to be on the Rap School channel. So I'll put a link below for that too. Make sure that you go check out the Rap School channel. All right? Because I'm going to be posting a lot of videos on there as well. Ones that I can't really post on this channel because this channel is a different type of information. You'll see when I start separating the information, okay? Hey, for real, I love y'all, all right? I appreciate every single one of you. I'm glad that you're here educating yourself. I'm done rambling. I'm done. I promise it's not, all right? Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top. More videos are gonna be coming soon, and just wait for Black Friday. I'm gonna blow your mind. And also, it's gonna be the things that I'm doing. You guys, whoever gets involved with this, is gonna be the first tester run of something that's gonna change the entire music industry. I can't say too much because honestly it's so dope somebody would actually steal it. I literally cannot say what this is because I can't let anybody even have a chance at even catching up with me. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys. All right, keep hustling. I'm gonna get back to work.
Small rapper gang.